In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix a bad date error in DocuClipper. So as you can see here in my test key bank statement, you are seeing a yellow banner and it says bad date. This means that the system failed to read your statement year. And if you pay attention to this summary table here, you could also see a bad year error under the from and the to. And 2001 is a default year for DocuClipper when the system can't read your statement near. But you really do not have to worry about this because this is a very easy fix in the system. Now, all you have to do in order for the bad date to disappear is that you just have to update and click on the pencil, update it to the correct year, which is this one is 2020. And then you also have to update here, 2020. Okay, and now it fixed the bad date error. Now you take a notice with under here the period and the date. You can see that it's also updated. So it was 2001 before, but now it's 2020 because we updated the from and to, which will also update the entire transaction. So we can just go ahead and take a look. There you go. Now, if you want to update just a single date, you can just click here and you can just edit it and then click on the checkbox. If you have questions and if you run into any issues, please do not hesitate to contact support@docuclipper.com. I hope this video helped.